Hey folks, so we are about a week out from Halloween and I wanted to get into the spirit by doing a candy and wine pairing series. But in this series, I want to give some love to the candy that may be at the bottom of the bag on Halloween or that you're constantly trading with other people at the end of the holiday. And I think that these kind of crappy candies could use some really good wine. So let's find some fun pairings. I'm gonna start today off with one that may be controversial, but I just think it's the lesser of chocolates, and that is a Kit Kat bar. I think Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Snickers, Milky Way, I mean, you name it, they're all better than a Kit Kat, in my personal opinion. I think wafers suck. And so let's jazz it up with some good wine. So I already had an idea in mind for this pairing. I was doing some Google research and people recommended a Pinot Noir for the Kit Kat, but I think it needs to be jazzed up. It needs more of a punchy wine. And so I'm going Cabernet with this, mainly because I think it is a watered down candy bar. It needs a little zhuzh to it. And I also think that, when I think of Kit Kats and how they could be improved, I imagine them being dunked in coffee or espresso to kind of make them a little more palatable, so to speak. So with that being said, I was thinking something full-bodied, red, and something with some toasted notes to it that's reminiscent of a coffee or dunking it into an espresso. So I'm going Cabernet, something with some new oak, some toasted oak in there. Let's put her to the test. Okay. And yeah, I'm going full size on these bars. I do not skip during Halloween. It's my Kit Kat. Just okay. Okay. I don't have a California Cabernet. That would be my ultimate pick here because they love their new oak in California. So I have a Willamette Valley Cabernet, but it does have a lot of new oak on it. I love to say I don't like this candy and I'm still eating it, so. Okay. Yeah, it makes the Kit Kat instantly better. So if you want to go for a more subtle pairing, I would opt for Pinot Noir, but if you really want to jazz up your Kit Kat, Cabernet. It's my pick for today. Put in the comments what you would like to see as part of this crappy candy wine series, and I'll cover it in an upcoming video. Okay. Happy Halloween week.